In a map of navigation, you'll find the clues, just pay attention. Kindred elements go side by side.
Really?
Similar physical chemistry puts the elements into family. Their properties we can now predict.
Wow, interesting.
Metallic elements on the left,
Hey.
non-metallic elements on the right.
Hey.
In normal climate, the metallic solids are. The non-metallics are liquid or gas.
Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium and magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chloride, argon, potassium, calcium. They live in the periodic table.
In 1869, Mendeleev found new rules for elements using their atomic weight. Other scientists helped, researching on their own. The table was completed, and finally we've got
A periodic table classified from simple elements to complex ones, where all the elements we can find. Let's repeat them one more time.
Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium and magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chloride, argon, potassium, calcium. They live in the periodic table.
Breaking down matter to the very essential, we will find a unit that is fundamental. We will call the unit element. Element, repeat with me. Element, element. Hydrogen mixed with oxygen.
Water.
Silicon mixed with oxygen.
That's glass.
Sodium mixed with oxygen.
That's salt.
Carbonic acid and salt.
Toothpaste.
Different elements you can combine. A new material now you will have. Different elements you can combine. A new material now you will have.
Wonderful chemical world. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium and magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chloride, argon, potassium, calcium. They live in the periodic table. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium and magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chloride, argon, potassium, calcium. They live in the periodic table.
natural phenomena around the world. Follow laws that rule the whole universe. Complex mechanical device universe. It has laws of motion and gravitation.
Between two objects with mass, Newton realized there was a force of attraction. And this applies, Newton said, both here down in the earth and in the space that is out there. Works both for apples and for planets.
There is a force between the earth and the moon, an invisible attraction between them. And that attraction is what we call today gravitational force.
Known to all as gravity. The greater is the mass, the greater will be then the force acting between objects. And when the distance grows between these objects, then the attraction fades away. Powerful force is the gravity.
In 1687, a book explained clearly the way in which movement behaves. Let's take a look at Newton's theory now. Theory based in the laws known as the laws of motion. First law of motion, law of inertia, states a body stable when no force is applied. To this principle, Newton